Gambia files Rohingya genocide case against Myanmar at World Court. Joint letter to Prime Minister Shaik Hasina on Bhasan Char. Rohingyas in Homeland face strict restrictions avoiding NVC. Gambia said on Monday it had filed a case at the International Court of Justice (ICJ) accusing Myanmar of committing genocide against its Rohingya minority. Drawing praise from human rights groups and Rohingya activists, Gambia, a tiny, mainly Muslim West African nation, lodged its lawsuit after winning the support of the Organization for Islamic Cooperation (OIC), which has 57 member states. Only a state can file a case against another state at the ICJ. The aim is to get Myanmar to account for its action against its own people, the Rohingyas. Justice Minister Char told a news conference in The Hague, where the UN court is based. "It is a shame for our generation that we do nothing while genocide is unfolding right under our own eyes. This is monumental for the Rohingya community who have endured so much." Rohingya activist Yasmin Ullah told a news conference in The Hague after the case was announced. "A court's characterization of our experience as genocide is long overdue," she added, calling on other nations to join Gambia in the ICJ lawsuit. "I thought this was not right, and the world cannot just stand by and watch this happen again," Justice Minister Char said, adding the OIC had asked Gambia to look into how to bring Myanmar to justice over the matter. In its 46-page filing to the ICJ, Gambia says Myanmar's actions were genocidal in character and included killing, causing serious bodily and mental harm, and imposing measures to prevent births. The law firm helping Gambia, Foley Hogue, said it expected first hearings on the provisional measures to take place next month. The government of Bangladesh should meaningfully engage Rohingya refugees on any plans affecting their situation in Bangladesh and ensure that a United Nations technical assessments of Bhasan Char Island said 45 rights and 38 international organizations in an open letter yesterday on 12 November. On November 5th, the Bangladesh government announced they would allow the UN to conduct a technical assessment of the suitability of Bhasan Char Island for refugees. The assessment will take place from November 17 to 19. There's been thick cloud of unknowing surrounding Bangladesh's plan to relocate Rohingya refugees to Bhasan Char, heightening protection concerns, said Matthew Smith, Chief Executive Officer at 45 Rights. Bangladesh's decision to postpone the relocation plans and allow the UN to conduct an assessment of the island provides an opportunity for improved transparency and meaningful consultations with Rohingya. In an open letter to Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina published yesterday, 45 rights and 39 organizations, including several Rohingya-led organizations, Human Rights Watch, Robert F. Kennedy, Human Rights, and Amnesty International, welcomed the recent announcement that the UN would conduct a technical assessment of Bhasan Char and called on Sheikh Hasina's administration to ensure that the assessment is made publicly available. Rohingya in Homeland face restrictions in movement and other daily activities due to lack of National Verification Card, NVC reports a Rohingya from northern Maodang. Since the temporary identity white cards were invalidated in 2016, Rohingyas in Homeland used to hold testimonial from the village administration or the receipt proof of TIC submission, which was issued upon returning the white cards. Suddenly, from November 6, the Rohingyas experienced a new phase of restrictions for not holding NVC cards, especially in terms of movement. People are harassed in the checkpoints, fined or sent back, and those holding NVC are allowed to move locally. Local authorities also started checking NVC from vehicle drivers and strictly prohibited from traveling locally even though they show driving license. This move not only disrupted the survival business and other livelihood activities, but also concerned the local Rohingyas over their future. A local activists to our vision by banning vehicle drivers from moving, I think have plotted something anew. If they continue to restrict movement, everything including our business activities will be disrupted. Being annoyed, people may flee to Bangladesh. Once they flee and want to come back again, the local authorities extort 1.5 million kyats from each family. This is what currently is happening. They may be expecting this income source, added the man. For more videos, please subscribe our Vision English YouTube channel.